In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Content Calendar. Setting up a content calendar is crucial for any team looking to streamline their content creation process, ensuring consistency, timely publication, and clear accountability. Monday.com provides an intuitive platform to achieve this, and we're going to walk through the easiest way to get started by leveraging its excellent template library. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, look for the plus sign icon. This is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen, often near the top or bottom of your board list, and it's your gateway to creating new elements within your workspace. Clicking this icon will open up a small menu, giving you various options for what you'd like to add or create. After you've clicked the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll see one labeled Template Center. This is exactly where we want to go. The Template Center is Monday.com's treasure trove of pre-designed boards, dashboards, and workflows, built to help you jumpstart various projects without having to build everything from scratch. It's a fantastic resource for efficiency. Go ahead and click on Template Center. Now that you're inside the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. To quickly find the content calendar template we're looking for, simply type the word Content into this search bar. As you type, the system will filter through the hundreds of available templates and display only those relevant to content creation and management. This saves you the time of sifting through all the categories manually. Once the search results load, you'll see a few options appear. Look specifically for the template titled Content Planning Template. This particular template is an excellent starting point because it's thoughtfully pre-configured with common columns and groups that are essential for managing an editorial pipeline, such as content status, assigned owners, due dates, and content types. This structure is designed to support a typical content workflow, from ideation all the way to publication. Click on this Content Planning Template to select it. Finally, after you've selected the Content Planning Template, you'll be presented with a preview of the template's layout and functionalities. This gives you a chance to see what the board will look like before you commit. Take a moment to review its structure. Once you're satisfied that this is the right template for your needs, simply click on the Use Template button. This action will instantly create a brand new board in your Monday.com workspace, fully populated with the structure of the content planning template. It will be ready for you to immediately start customizing and adding your specific content ideas, articles, videos, social media posts, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a functional content calendar board using a pre-built template in Monday.com. From this point, you can dive in, assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and collaborate with your team to ensure your content strategy is executed flawlessly.